Hello everyone, today I'd like to do an unboxing of this handheld vacuum cleaner which you can use for your car or in your office setting. It's by Kusouku, so let's open the box and see the contents, and we'll see it in action as well. Well, to be honest, opening the box wasn't that easy. It's made of very hard cardboard. So this is the contents of the box. This is the filter, the extra filter that comes with the item itself. It's neatly packed, as you can see here. So we have a brush to clean the dust off with, some additional attachments, and of course instructions. We'll go through this as well. Now let's take a look at the contents. So the item itself, it's indeed very compact, and let's try to set it up. So it has two attachments. I just installed one. It's pretty easy, just slide it in. You can also slide this one instead of this one, and it has just this button, and we can hear the sound. It's pretty loud, so I'm going to just try to use it in the car and test it more thoroughly. Otherwise, it's really neat and I'm looking forward to using it. Thank you for watching the unboxing.